Unlocking the secrets of flavor, the magic of extracts. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of language and cooking. Add flavor extracts. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a beautiful example of how language can encapsulate action, taste, and creativity. Whether you're a budding chef or an English language learner, understanding this phrase will add a new layer to your skills. Let's explore the magic behind flavor extracts and how they transform our culinary experiences. Add flavor extracts might seem straightforward, but there's a lot packed into these 3 words. Flavor extracts are concentrated solutions that capture the essence of ingredients like vanilla, almond, lemon, and many more. They're powerful tools in cooking and baking, used to infuse dishes with intense flavors without altering the texture or adding extra ingredients. When we say, add, we're talking about the action of incorporating these extracts into our dishes. It's a deliberate step in recipe preparation, aiming to enhance or introduce new flavors. This phrase is often found in recipes, signaling a moment where creativity meets technique. Flavor extracts play a crucial role in the culinary world. They are the secret behind the richness of cakes, the aroma of cookies, and the delicate sense of creams and custards. Understanding how and when to use them can elevate your cooking from good to unforgettable. Intensity. Extracts are potent, so a little goes a long way. They add complexity to dishes without overwhelming them. Versatility. Whether you're making sweet or savory dishes, there's an extract that fits perfectly. Experimenting with extracts can lead to exciting and unexpected flavors. Consistency. Extracts provide a consistent flavor that fresh ingredients can't always guarantee. This reliability is crucial in baking and cooking. Adding flavor extracts to your dishes is an art. Here are some tips to get you started. Start small. Because of their strength, it's best to add extracts a little at a time. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. Quality matters. Invest in high-quality extracts. The better the extract, the better the flavor of your dish. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new combinations. Adding almond extract to your chocolate cake or lemon extract to your frosting can create surprising and delightful results. We hope this exploration of add flavor extracts has opened your eyes to the possibilities that these potent liquids can offer. Whether you're writing an essay, preparing a dish, or just curious about English phrases, remember that language and cooking both offer endless opportunities for creativity and expression. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for joining us, and happy cooking!